The CVC directory allows you to see the key details about corporations that are actively investing in startups. You can search for an individual company. Or you can look for a selection of CVCs based on different criteria. For example, the country that they're located in. You can search by portfolio size. You can search by the region that that company likes to invest in, the sector that they invest in, and even by their preferred investment stage. So if you're looking, for example, for companies that like to invest in Series A healthcare companies based in Asia, the CVC directory will give you that list. Each individual entry gives you a rundown of the CVC's operating model, the key people, the investment focus, fund size, and even a list of recent investments, allowing you to build up a comprehensive picture of how that unit works, whether you're looking for an investor in your startup or fund, a co-investor in a syndicate, or maybe just a new job opportunity in CVC. Corporate venturing can be a confusing sector, with every company running operations in a slightly different way, but the CVC directory will help you navigate through that with the data curated by our specialist data team.